Hi, and welcome to Outhouse 3D Prints on a Saturday night. Let me get the camera turned around and show you what's going on. I got a lot of filming in. My buddy up north, who is a prospector, asked that I make 4 prints of the prospector that I had printed for him prior out of bamboo and the white one. So he sent me gold and silver. So I'm going to be pulling those out of the box. And I got quite a few more colors and just go over some filament with you folks. I haven't done that before. Just make it a real quick Friday night video. And yes, I'm going to be doing that, doing it in the short stand up way. However, things are about to change. I did buy some equipment to hopefully make my videos a bit better, more stable, and so forth. All right, let's get turned around and do this real quick. All right. I'm going to get on the multi-board train. I cannot drill holes in anything here, although I did hear people are using command strips to put this stuff up, which is what I'm going to try. I'm not going to put anything super heavy on it. It looks neat. I like the orange, the gray. I just like the whole aesthetic, and it is really useful. So I am starting my journey on that. I just paid for a membership. Here we got another dice tower going. Oh, let me move the skull. Yeah, it's Saturday night and it's about to finish up. This one I'm going to make pretty much all silver. It is for the ladies out there. There's a lot of ladies playing tabletop gaming now, and I want to have something for everybody. I'm not just going to be, for boys, girl, yada yada. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. It's Saturday night. I'm freewheeling this one. Here we got some flying wolves going. I've been looking at these for a while. And Initiative Design Shop, he printed some off, and I decided, what the heck, they're kind of neat. You got to have stuff for the kids. They do have a keychain version. This is the small version of them, not the keychain version. Just wanted a few. I may give them away. All right, moving on. So this is what I do when I shoot videos now, right now. I set my phone in that orange cup on that brown barrel, and then I do it. That's going to change tomorrow. I have an actual gimbal coming that will move my phone automatically, hopefully. Hopefully. I do have a new phone. The camera isn't any better. I didn't get the pro version. I'd rather spend money on boxes and boxes of filament. I have a stand coming tomorrow as well that holds 30 pieces or 30 rolls of filament, pieces of 8. Yeah, I have some of that, by the way. I do. I have actual pirate treasure, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, let's get started and see what we got going here. Let's move this up yeah, well, hell's bells. That ain't going to work. It's going to slide. Let's see what we got. Normally, I don't do unboxings, but I hadn't really seen what he was going to send. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Oh, heck, these are mine. Oops, these are mine. I thought they were what he sent me. So we got some brown. I'm gonna start doing stuff in the browns and tans. I'm sorry, folks. This sucks. I know. I'll probably edit this part out or not. Get down. All right, and then yeah, this is the Polymaker. This is the black, the charcoal black that I've been using. I love this stuff. I'm probably going to buy tons and tons of it because it is so nice to work with the rub and buff. Or even the regular paint. You really don't need a primer underneath it. So again, Polymaker, and this is the charcoal matte black. It is freaking awesome. Huh, sorry for the loud noise. Let's see. In here, I wonder. Oh, yeah. 40 of the 40 pieces, whatever, for doing the rub and buffing. Yeah, I'm just throwing stuff around, aren't I? Ooh, I got nifty new keychains. So I can, yeah, have keychains on that. Pretty neat. Gave one of these to the neighbor, one with hard eyes. She loved it. Oh, and she also picked everybody I've asked. I've had three. I've given away three, and I've had all of them in my hand. Everybody's picked Shamu first. Just an FYI, Shamu's popular. So I'm sure I'm talking too loud with this microphone by my face. That's coming. A new microphone will be coming. Okay, this is what my buddy sent me. I'm not sure what brands he sent. I'm going to have to make do. Oh, dang, fancy. But we got gold, and that is going to be for this in a medium size, quite a bit larger than this, probably about 6 inches tall. Well, no, not even that tall, about 4 inches. Anyway, you've seen that before. We got gold. Huh. giant arm, silver. Yeah, we'll see how that works out. Moving on. What we got in here? Yeah, that's another brown. Here we got a Panachrome. This is a really earthy dark brown, and I like this because I just like earth colors. I do. I enjoy earth colors. I actually have a lot of wood filament coming tomorrow. Yeah, I went hog wild on Amazon and spent my entire check, unfortunately. But sometimes you got to. Green. I don't have enough of this green for leaves and stuff. A good forest green for leaves and stuff. But I want to start printing these barrels in actual wood. I also have better lighting coming tomorrow as well. Wow, look at me. I'm moving on up in the neighborhood, right? Anyway, sorry for a rambling Saturday. This is spur of the moment. I just felt like being on camera, talking on camera. More brown. I like my browns. They're all different, so you need them all. God, I'm just throwing everything everywhere. But the shelf is coming tomorrow. Holds 30 rolls, and I'm going to put it over and kind of make a wall as you walk in. Purple, which is this. I'm giving this one to my son, and I really like the way it turned out. So all right, pink. She's pretty in pink. I wore pink shirts in high school. I was the preppy punk. I wore preppy clothes, but I was still punk rock. And when I played golf, I actually used pink balls because it pissed all the other guys off. Men are so weak. They are. They're so insecure with their sexuality. It's not even funny. Sorry. It's just true, man. Guys wanted to fight me on just because I was using pink golf balls. Yeah. Well, so so funny. I got my own silver here by Elegoo. We'll see. I heard I wanted this color because it's a little bit darker, but I heard that the silver, Amazon silver, and I saw it is like shiny, dang chrome. And that's a good deal if you need it. I've been trying to get it. It's sold out because there was a video made. Obviously, if I heard about it, there must have been a video made. And then we got yellow. Lello, as my kids used to call it. Anyway, I just wanted to say thank you. When I first started this, right, it was to help my mental health as well, and it's doing its job. On certain nights, I don't print because I am tired from my 9 to 5. But most nights it does make me happy, and so does making the videos. And I just wanted to say thank you to you all, anybody who clicked on this, and to the 30 something of you that have subscribed. You people, yeah, you made my week. Appreciate you all. Have a great weekend.